Hey, this is Eric from Merchant Automotive. Today I wanted to share with you our offerings for fuel pressure regulators and the install kits. So we have genuine Bosch replacement fuel pressure regulators. So if you've got a truck with a surge at idle, a loping idle, anything like that, a lot of times the fuel pressure regulator can be the cause. So we have the regulators. We have an LB7, LOI, and LBZ LMM, and we also have them with a full gasket kit to install that regulator. So in this case, the LOI, we include all the gaskets and seals that you're going to need to get in there and replace that, as well as the screws to hold it to the pump. A lot of times those can get rounded off or damaged. So we make sure you have everything you need with genuine Bosch parts, factory gaskets. These are available through our dealer network or on our website, or give us a call. If you have any questions on this kit, or if you've got some feedback you'd like to share, just let us know below in the comments. We appreciate you watching all our videos, and if you'd like to keep seeing these things, just give us a thumbs up.